What's up, guys? This is in reference to the engine that misfired at the International Space Station today. What the interview, and I ain't even got to put no sound on it. Just look how ridiculous the two people with long hair look. They're supposedly there. Check it out. See their hair? It's not waving. If their hair was waving, it would be one thing. But their hair is just sprayed stiff. It's like it's got a jar of gel in it. The chick's hair is not moving at all either. Apologize, it's a little shaky, but I'm one hand in it. The hair's not moving at all. Now, if that guy bouncing, his hair should be waving, correct? Correct me if I'm wrong. Jake Thorne 64, I'm out.